Samsung has once again surprised the tech world by officially teasing a new addition to the Galaxy S25 lineup. Instead of the widely expected slim branding, this upcoming model will be called the Galaxy S25 Edge. While Samsung has used the Edge name in the past, this device takes a different approach, offering a slimmer profile without compromising on flagship level features. Now, thanks to new leaks, a clearer picture of its specifications and capabilities has emerged, revealing an exciting blend of design, power, and innovation. One of the most striking aspects of this phone is its display. It is set to feature an LTPO panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring fluid animations and smooth scrolling. The peak brightness is expected to reach 2,600 nits, making it easier to view content, even in direct sunlight. Additionally, the screen will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, offering improved durability against scratches and accidental drops. Another highlight is its ultra-thin bezels, reportedly measuring just 1.32 millimeters. This design choice enhances the immersive experience, making it one of the most visually appealing displays Samsung has produced. When it comes to cameras, Samsung is equipping the Galaxy S25 Edge with top-tier hardware. The primary sensor will be a powerful 200-megapixel lens, promising high-resolution shots with impressive detail and clarity. On the front, users will find a 12-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls, optimized with Samsung's advanced image processing. With this setup, the phone is expected to deliver flagship-level photography, rivaling even the most premium models in the lineup. Build quality is another area where Samsung is focusing its attention. The phone will feature an armor aluminum frame, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight design. Despite its slimmer form, it is expected to retain a premium feel, making it comfortable to hold in use. Connectivity options will also be top-notch, including support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and Universal Flash Storage 4.0 for faster data processing. Additionally, it will feature a USB Type-C 3.2 port, allowing for quick data transfers and improved efficiency. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. While there has been speculation about Samsung bringing back its Exynos processors, this transition is not expected until the Galaxy S26 series. As a result, the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Edge variant, will most likely rely on Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chip. With 12 gigabytes of random access memory, users can expect excellent performance whether they are multitasking, gaming, or using demanding applications. Battery life is always a major consideration, and while a slimmer design usually means a smaller battery, the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite is expected to help optimize power consumption. However, one aspect that may leave some users wanting more is the charging speed, which remains at 25 watts. While this is not the fastest charging solution on the market, Samsung appears to be prioritizing battery health over ultra-fast charging speeds. For those who are not particularly excited about the Galaxy S25 series at launch, the Galaxy S25 Edge might bring the innovation they were hoping for. It offers a refined design, powerful internals, and a stunning display while maintaining a more compact and lightweight form factor. The ultra-thin bezels, high-resolution camera system, and efficient performance make it a strong contender for those looking for a premium smartphone experience without the bulk. As anticipation builds, it will be interesting to see how this device stacks up against upcoming competitors. With Apple and other brands preparing their next flagship models, Samsung's decision to introduce a new Edge variant could be a strategic move to capture a niche audience. Whether this phone becomes a standout success or just another iteration, it has already managed to generate plenty of buzz. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 Edge? Does its slim yet powerful design appeal to you? Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates. The Google Pixel 9a has been generating buzz lately, and a recently surfaced image hints that its design may remain largely unchanged from its predecessor. One of the key compromises Google made with the previous model was the screen-to-body ratio. To keep the cost below 500 United States dollars, the device featured slightly thicker borders around the display, making the screen feel a bit less immersive. Based on this new leak, it seems like Google is continuing with the same approach, focusing on affordability rather than drastic design changes. The leaked image appears to be an official promotional render, but due to its low quality, some finer details are hard to make out. However, certain aspects stand out. The overall shape of the phone closely resembles other models in the lineup, such as the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, featuring rounded corners and a design language that fits seamlessly into Google's ecosystem. A noticeable difference is the front camera, which appears slightly larger than before. Additionally, antenna lines are visible along the edges, which suggests that Google might be refining connectivity features. One curious detail in the leak is the wallpaper shown on the display. It seems to be from a new collection that has not yet been seen on any current models in the Pixel 9 series. While this might not seem significant, Google often introduces new wallpapers alongside fresh hardware releases. The home screen layout, controlled by the Pixel launcher, appears to remain the same, which is expected since major software updates typically arrive with flagship launches and new Android versions rather than mid-range releases. Although the image quality makes it difficult to determine precise measurements, the display borders on the left, right, and bottom seem to be consistent in size. However, the top border appears to be slightly thicker. If this leak is accurate, it suggests that Google is maintaining the same display design philosophy used in previous mid-range models. For reference, the Pixel 8 had a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 81.6%. In comparison, premium smartphones often push this ratio much higher. Devices like the iPhone 16 Pro Max achieve around 91.4%, while the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra reaches approximately 92.5%. These higher-end devices minimize screen borders to enhance the viewing experience, but Google seems to be focusing more on offering an affordable alternative rather than chasing premium aesthetics. This strategy aligns with Google's approach for its mid-range lineup. The Pixel A series has always been about delivering strong performance and software support at a reasonable price. While some users might wish for thinner display borders, others will appreciate the balance between cost savings and long-term usability. The Pixel series is known for its excellent camera quality, clean software experience, and timely updates, which are often more valuable to buyers in this price range than a bezel-less design. Google's decision to stick with this formula is not surprising. The previous models in this lineup have consistently been well received, providing a solid experience without the high price tag of flagship phones. If the Pixel 9 follows the same pattern, it is likely to be another competitive option for those looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with premium software and camera capabilities. While the lack of major design changes might be disappointing to some, others will find comfort in knowing that Google is continuing to prioritize reliability and affordability. As more leaks and official details emerge, a clearer picture of what to expect from the Pixel 9a will develop. Until then, this new leak suggests that Google is playing it safe, refining an already successful formula rather than making drastic changes. If this strategy continues to work, the Pixel 9a could become another go-to option for users who want a dependable smartphone without spending a fortune. If you enjoyed this update, consider subscribing to stay informed about the latest technology news and upcoming releases. Your support helps keep these updates coming, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon. Why did Samsung decide against using its most advanced 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP9 sensor in the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Many would expect the company to equip its top-tier smartphone with the best camera hardware it has ever developed. After all, this high-end sensor is not only a Samsung innovation, but is also being used by other smartphone brands. Yet, when it came to its own flagship device, Samsung made a different choice. This decision has raised questions among tech enthusiasts, but there are solid reasons behind it. One of the biggest factors influencing this move is Samsung's market position. While some competing brands have adopted the ISOCELL HP9 sensor in their premium models, these devices have not seen massive success in terms of sales.